Understanding in a deadlock, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in a deadlock. This video will explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. In a deadlock refers to a situation where progress is impossible because the parties involved cannot agree or come to a decision. It's often used in contexts like negotiations, discussions, or situations where opposing sides are equally strong and unyielding. This phrase paints a picture of a standstill or an impasse. This phrase has interesting origins. The term deadlock originally comes from a 17th century English legal term, referring to a situation where a jury couldn't reach a unanimous verdict. Over time, its usage expanded to more general contexts where a stalemate or standstill occurs. Let's look at how in a deadlock can be used. 1. The negotiations between the companies are in a deadlock. Neither side is willing to compromise. 2. Our plans for the weekend are in a deadlock. I want to go hiking, but my partner wants to stay home. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe situations where no progress can be made due to disagreements or opposing views. It's important to understand that while in a deadlock is often used in formal contexts like business or politics, it can also be applied in everyday situations. Whether you're discussing plans with friends or observing a debate, this phrase is a powerful way to describe a situation where no solution or agreement is in sight. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, in a deadlock, and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying ideas and emotions. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when you encounter a standstill in discussions or negotiations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.